Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Hotpoint washing machine quickly and safely so it works properly again. First, turn off your washing machine and unplug it from the power outlet. Waiting a few minutes allows the machine's electronics to fully power down. Next, locate the Start, Pause, or Reset button on your model. On most Hotpoint machines, pressing and holding this button for 3 to 5 seconds will initiate a reset. If your model doesn't have a dedicated reset button, proceed to the next step. Plug the machine back in and turn it on. Select a standard cycle and press Start Pause. This can trigger the internal system to reset automatically. If your washing machine has a digital display showing an error code, note the code before resetting. After the reset, check if the code disappears. If it remains, consult your user manual as some errors require technical service. For extra troubleshooting, ensure the door is fully closed and the water supply is on. Sometimes the machine won't reset if it detects an issue with the door latch or water flow. By following these steps, you can reset your Hotpoint washing machine and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.